In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Many of the intelligent and the capable people fail to produce good results, fail to produce impressive results. I said many of the intelligent and the capable people. I did not say few of the intelligent. Why is it so, by the way? Did you ever pay attention to it? Our today's discussion is going to be upon this topic because knowing why these people, the intelligent and the capable people, fail to produce the result, it will be important for us. It will be important for us. It will give us benefits. It will actually teach us how should we work. This will teach us so that we don't become one of those people, who could not achieve good results despite being intelligent, despite being capable, and despite working seriously. Imagine all these qualities, intelligent and serious at the same time, but unable to produce good results. The reason is the reason is that they could not concentrate. They lacked concentration. They were ambitious. They were maybe over ambitious. Intelligent on the one hand, quite ambitious on the other hand, yet unable to produce results. Why? Because they could not concentrate, because they could not focus upon one or two things, because they were having several items and several lines in their mind. They were trying to do justice with all of those things, but it is not humanly possible. It is not humanly possible to do justice with so many of the things, because though somebody is intelligent, capable, ambitious, but being intelligent does not mean that you can do anything and everything. It does not mean at all that you can do so many of the things at the same time. It does not mean at all. As a matter of fact, look upon all those people who have succeeded. Look upon all those people who have produced results. You will come to know that these people were more interested on focusing on something, on focusing and concentrating upon either one thing or the two things. They weren't that much ambitious that they were spoiling their time, that they were spoiling their energy here and there. Because the time we are having, because the energy we are having, because the rest of the resources we are having, these are not the limitless. If at all we are having a day of 24 hours, and the rest of the people too, they too have a day of 24 hours, and maybe we do have to accomplish so many of other things upon which our survival depends. While as for this item is concerned, it is not as an item of survival. As for so much of the progress and the development and the prosperity is concerned, it is not the it is not the issue. It is not the matter of survival. Rather, it is the matter of development and prosperity. And if at all we want to become prosperous enough, if at all we want to become developed enough, obviously being intelligent is very useful, and being ambitious is very useful. Being ambitious means that desiring, that having a deep desire that I want to achieve, and also being intelligent, being ambitious, and now we are we are unless and until we do focus and concentrate upon either one thing or the two things, we will not be able to do the justice with so many of the things at the same time. And once we are unable to do the justice, how come would it be possible that we do achieve so many and such a good results? It will not be possible, really. It will not, I said it will not be possible. And that is why so many of the intelligent people, so many of the ambitious people, after the work and the struggle of a decade, after the work or struggle of the 2 decades, they fail to produce the results. And while they are working in several things, while they are working on several items at the same time, so that actually mean that they have produced very little amount of results here and the very little amount of results over there. It will not be these these results, these produced results are not considerable enough so that it could impress the people. And we do have to tell in the people that I'm working here and I have produced these results, and I'm working there and I have produced those results. It does not look automatic. It is not something which the people can notice it without our telling, without our talk, and without our claim, etc. So that is why I suggest, it is my own experience. Actually, I'm one of those people who, despite being intelligent, despite being capable, despite being ambitious, I was not able to produce a very good results here and there. Why? Because I was unable to concentrate and to focus upon one thing or the two things. Rather, I kept working here and I kept working there. So, not in a position and failing to focus and concentrate. What did happen? That I too, like so many of the people, we failed to produce the good amount of results, the considerable amount of results. Thank you.